Hello Matthew, how are you?
Good, thank you, mate.
Okay, so what you are doing today?
I am on a driving lesson to give myself a refresher course as I don't feel confident enough.
Okay, so how long ago Matthew you got your license?
I got my license back when I was 22 years old.
22 years old.
Yep.
And how old are you now?
I'm 34.
34. So meantime, did you drive?
Yes.
Okay, slow down. You see, you are a good driver, you know. So you just look at the right, go now. Yeah.
Yep.
Now, what are the area, Matthew, you think you face struggle?
I feel I struggle in keeping safe distance between cars, braking too heavily, accelerating too heavily, and not being fully aware of my surroundings.
Surroundings, okay. So completely aware of the surroundings, you need the help of your center mirror, Matthew.
Yep.
Okay. And what time you need to look at your mirror? Okay.
Every 3 seconds.
Every 3 seconds plus once you signal right or left, whatever.
Yeah.
Before indicate, you must look at the mirrors.
Yeah.
And whatever place you are braking, before touch the brake, make sure that your back is safe.
Yeah.
Make sense, Matthew?
Yeah.
Okay. And at the roundabout, we are going straight. Okay. So when you go through at the roundabout, just slow down, have a look on your right. No car is traveling. Make sure that you keep going. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No worries.
And more important things is you need to aware of the other road users. You see the car making a right turn. He's supposed to give it to you.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, but he did not. Right? He was rushing. So some sort of drivers keep aware. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what else you think that you need to improve?
Other things I need to improve.
You told me, okay, sorry, I interrupt you. You told me in one stage that to keep the safe distance from the other car while you are driving.
Exactly.
Okay. Now you see at the traffic light, turn right from the right turning lane.
Yeah.
So if you slow down, so keep a safe distance. You can see what is the safe distance. You can see the back wheel.
The back wheels.
Yeah.
That's your safe distance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go now. And finish into the right lane.
Yeah.
When safe, move to the left lane, please.
Yeah.
Yeah. Excellent. Okay, now I just want to add little bit on your lane changing.
Yeah.
When you lane changing, you don't move to twist that steering. Okay, move to the right lane. Let me show you.
Yeah.
Signal right. Okay, head check for a second, and just a slight degree of angle. That's all.
Right.
You see, you don't feel shaking, or nobody can feel that you are changing the lane.
Yeah.
Go to the left lane again like this. Head check now. Yeah. Beautiful. Great. All the best, Matthew.
Thank you very much.
I believe this video will help you. Okay?
I believe so too. Thank you very much.
Thank you.